Searching for the best SOG knives? Known for their rugged design, sharp blades, and military-inspired craftsmanship, SOG Knives are trusted by hunters, survivalists, and tactical users worldwide. From everyday carry to outdoor adventures, these knives deliver reliability and performance when it matters most. In this guide, we highlight the top-rated SOG knives to buy in 2026. Number 10. SOG Slimjim XL Technical Assisted Folding Knives is a sleek, lightweight assisted folding knife designed for efficient performance and everyday carry. Crafted with a durable AUS-8 stainless steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it reliable for a variety of tasks. The slim profile and minimalist design ensure it fits comfortably in your pocket without added bulk. Equipped with SOG's patented assisted technology, the blade deploys quickly and smoothly with a single-handed operation, perfect for swift, reliable use in critical moments. Its sturdy stainless steel handle provides a secure grip, while the integrated safety lock adds an extra layer of security when the knife is not in use. Whether for tactical applications or routine cutting needs, the Slimjim XL delivers dependable precision and performance in a compact form. Number 9. SOG Instinct Fixed Blade Knives is a compact, versatile tool designed for those who value reliability and adaptability in everyday carry or outdoor use. Its 2.3-inch 5cr15 MoV stainless steel blade is precision-crafted for excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for cutting, slicing, and utility tasks. The ergonomic textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or demanding conditions. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Instinct comes with a multi-mount sheath, allowing various carry options, including belt, boot, or neck carry, for ultimate accessibility. Its rugged construction and streamlined design make it perfect for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone in need of a dependable fixed blade. With the SOG Instinct, practicality and durability come together in a compact, ready-to-go package. Number 8. Sog-tac XR Blackout Knives is a robust, tactical folding knife engineered for precision, durability, and versatility in demanding environments. Featuring a 3.4-inch cryogenically heat-treated D2 steel blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention, strength, and corrosion resistance. Its sleek black titanium nitride finish enhances durability while reducing glare, making it ideal for tactical operations. The XR lock mechanism ensures reliable one-handed blade deployment and secure locking, whether opened manually or with the ambidextrous thumb stud or flipper tab. Its glass-reinforced nylon handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, with a textured surface for enhanced control in any condition. Lightweight yet tough, the Sog-tac XR Blackout is perfect for military, law enforcement, or outdoor use, embodying performance and dependability in a sleek, stealthy design. Number 7. SOG Salute Mini Tactical Knives is a compact yet formidable tool designed for versatility and everyday carry. Featuring a 3.1-inch 8cr13 MoV stainless steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, from precision cutting to rugged utility work. The blade's black oxide finish enhances corrosion resistance and reduces reflectivity, perfect for tactical applications. Its adjustable thumb stud allows for customized placement, ensuring smooth, ambidextrous deployment. The G10 handle is ergonomically crafted with textured scales, providing a secure grip and maximum control in any condition. Lightweight and portable, the Salute Mini includes a durable belt clip for convenient carry. Combining reliability, performance, and compact design, this knife is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, or everyday users seeking a dependable tactical tool. Number 6. Kaku Matsuda Knives showcase masterful craftsmanship and precision, inspired by the renowned Japanese bladesmith Kiku Matsuda. These knives combine traditional design elements with modern materials to deliver exceptional performance and durability. Featuring a robust VG10 or AUS-8 stainless steel blade, they provide outstanding edge retention and corrosion resistance for versatile use, whether in tactical, outdoor, or everyday applications. The blade's signature grind and satin or black finish enhance its aesthetic and functional appeal. The ergonomic handle, crafted from linen micarta or G10, ensures a secure, comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. Designed for strength and elegance, the kaku knives are equipped with a durable sheath or pocket clip for convenient carry. These blades represent the fusion of tradition and innovation, embodying the spirit of precision craftsmanship. Number 5. SOG Field Fixed Blade Knives are rugged, dependable tools built for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliability in the field. Featuring a durable 4-inch 7CR117 MOV stainless steel blade, these knives offer excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and versatile cutting performance for camping, hunting, or survival tasks. The full-tang construction ensures robust strength, while the ergonomic, textured handle provides a comfortable and secure grip in all weather conditions. Designed for practicality, the knife comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and convenient carry, allowing easy access whenever needed. Lightweight yet tough, the SOG Field Fixed blade balances functionality with durability, making it a trusted companion for tackling demanding environments, whether on the trail or in the wilderness. Reliable and versatile, it's made for those who live for adventure. Number 4. SOG Salute Folding Pocket Knives is a versatile and reliable tool designed for everyday carry and tactical use. Featuring a durable 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, it provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. The 3.6-inch blade has a sleek black oxide finish that enhances durability while reducing glare. Its adjustable thumb stud allows for personalized placement, ensuring smooth, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The rugged G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, with added texturing for maximum control in any condition. Compact yet tough, the Salute folds neatly for pocket carry and includes a reversible, low-profile belt clip for convenient access. Built for practicality and performance, this knife is a dependable companion for outdoor adventures or everyday tasks. Number 3. SOG Centi I Folding Knives Keychain is a compact and practical keychain tool, perfect for everyday carry and on-the-go utility. Featuring a 2.1-inch 5CR15 MOV stainless steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for light-cutting tasks. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, the Centi II folds easily into a lightweight, minimalist design that integrates seamlessly with your keychain or pocket. Its sturdy stainless steel handle provides a secure grip, ensuring precise control despite its small size. Weighing less than an ounce, this knife is portable yet robust enough to handle daily tasks like opening packages, cutting cord, or small repairs. Combining convenience, reliability, and compact versatility, the SOG Centi II is a handy addition to your everyday essentials. Number 2. SOG Bladelight Fillet Knives is an innovative tool designed for precision and convenience, making it an essential companion for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade, it provides excellent flexibility, sharpness, and corrosion resistance, ideal for filleting fish with ease and accuracy. The standout feature is its integrated bladelight technology, with 6 bright LEDs embedded in the handle, illuminating your cutting surface for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The ergonomic, glass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet environments. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Bladelight fillet comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and transport. Combining practicality, advanced lighting, and superior cutting performance, this knife elevates the filleting experience, whether on the water or at the campsite. Number 1. SOG Pentagon XR Knives is a high-performance tactical folding knife designed for precision, strength, and versatility in demanding situations. Featuring a 3.66-inch cryogenically heat-treated CTS XHP stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for both piercing and slicing tasks. Its dual-edge blade, with a straight edge on one side and partial serrations on the other, provides unmatched versatility for various cutting needs. The advanced XR lock mechanism ensures smooth, ambidextrous one-handed deployment and secure blade locking, offering reliability in critical moments. Constructed with a durable and textured G10 handle, the Pentagon XR provides a comfortable, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Lightweight yet rugged, this knife is ideal for tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable, precision-engineered tool for everyday or high-stakes use.